How to get friend request on Facebook. Hello everybody. If you want to increase your chances on receiving Facebook friend request, you may follow up this step. The first thing is you may open up your Facebook application itself, and once you have opened up your Facebook application, you may head over to your profile, just open it up like this. And then once you open it up, you should be finding your profile. So the thing is, you need to ensure that your profile is well maintained and reflects your personality or profession. So we have different options like edit profile. When you go ahead and tap on it, you can edit out your profile information. For example, your relationship, your education, your workplace, everything, which will basically attract more people into your Facebook to add you as a friend. So you can just go ahead and do that. Similarly, you need to go ahead and engage with others as well. So if you're friends with people, or if you have an interest, for example, if you're interested in hiking or something like that, you can just go ahead and like and share those kind of posts, particularly from the people you're interested in connecting with. That will show you that you're active and something like that, and make you more likely to be added as a friend. Similarly, we have other options. You may head over to the menu bar at the top, and then from here look for groups. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you can join groups related to your interests and hobbies. That will allow you to interact with people who share your passions and potentially build meaningful connections with yourself. So this is one of the method. Otherwise, you can also consider promoting your Facebook profile on other social media platforms. In order to share your profile, you may head over to your profile first like this, and once you head over to your profile, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot beside your profile. Open it up, and from here you should be finding your profile link, or you can find a share profile option. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you may just go ahead and copy and share it on other media platform to reach a wider audience and attract potential friends. So this is it. Otherwise, you can also invite your contacts. So if you know people who are on Facebook but not yet connected, you can send them a friend request or build your network. So this is it for now. You may follow up some of the process in order to get a friend request on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.